In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a blockbuster movie just like this one, completely free.
We've planned for this. Tonight we take what's ours. No mistakes. In and out like ghosts. We hit hard. We don't stop until every bar of gold is ours. This is our moment. Let's finish this. Get the gold, now!
They're inside, move!
We're running out of time.
Let's go!
Sounds unbelievable, right? Stick around, and by the end of this guide, you'll be able to make your own cinematic masterpiece using free AI tools. You don't need any experience. I'll guide you through each and every step. In this video, I'll break down exactly how I made the video you're watching right now. You'll discover how to create stunning videos using AI, so you can start making YouTube money in no time. So, grab a drink, hit that like and subscribe button, and let's dive in. Here's what we're covering. Step 1. Crafting your script. First up, we need a script. We'll use ChatGPT, an amazing AI tool, to help us. Open ChatGPT and ask it to write a short crime movie trailer script for a blockbuster, focusing on intense action scenes with minimal dialogue. Within seconds, you'll have your gripping story. I kept mine to 500 words for a quick and punchy result, but feel free to ask for more or less. Keep it in simple English for a smooth process. And just like that, our script is done. Step 2. Creating characters. Now it's time to bring our movie to life by creating amazing cinematic characters. We'll use a fantastic tool called Leonardo AI. This powerful AI helps us make stunning animated and cinematic images. You can find the link to Leonardo AI in the video description below. Once you log in, click on Launch App. You'll get 150 free tokens every day, which is perfect for creating our characters. On the dashboard, click Image Generation in the menu on the left. Choose Cinematic Keynote under the preset options, and for Preset Style, pick Cinematic. To get the right dimension for YouTube, select 16 by 9. In the advanced settings, go with the Leonardo Lightning model. Now we're all set to create our characters. To get started, we need to give Leonardo a good prompt in the prompt box. The quality of the images depends on how well we craft our prompts, so we want to make them as clear and descriptive as possible. Let's head back to ChatGPT and ask it for prompts that will help us generate images for each scene of our movie. Hit enter, and in just a few seconds, ChatGPT will provide a list of prompts. Now copy the first prompt, go back to Leonardo AI, paste it in the prompt box, and click Generate. Before you know it, you'll have fantastic images that fit your story. Repeat this process for all the scenes in your story. Once you have all your images, organize them into a folder to keep everything tidy. And just like that, your characters are ready to star in your movie. Step 3. Turning your images into cinematic videos. If you're loving this content so far, make sure to smash that like button and hit subscribe. Your support is what keeps us going and helps us bring you more amazing tutorials. Now let's take our still images to the next level by transforming them into stunning videos. We'll be using an incredible AI tool called Runway ML. This tool has the magic to breathe life into your images, giving them motion, depth, and a cinematic feel that's sure to impress. You'll find the link to Runway ML in the video description below. Here's how it's done. Once you're on the Runway ML site and logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard. Click Get Started, and you'll be taken to a new page. Hit Select from Assets and upload the image you created using Leonardo AI. Now, you'll see a prompt box where you can describe how you want the video to look. Feel free to type in your creative ideas or simply leave it blank and let Runway ML work its AI magic. Next, click on Duration to choose how long you want your video to be. Hit Generate and watch the magic happen. In just a few moments, your still image will come to life as a beautiful video. Let's hit play and check it out. Wow, look at that! It's smooth, cinematic, and absolutely stunning. We'll repeat this process for the other images as you can see. They all look perfect and breathtaking. Go ahead and download them, and just like that, we have a series of breathtaking videos ready to go. Amazing, right? Step 4. Bringing the video to life with voiceovers. Now, it's time to make our video even more engaging by adding voiceovers. This is where 11 Labs comes into play. It's a fantastic AI tool that turns plain text into realistic speech, making sure your video sounds as good as it looks. The link to 11 Labs is down in the description, so be sure to check it out. Here's how we'll do it. Start by opening your script and copying the first piece of dialogue. Head over to the 11 Labs website and paste the text into the box. Choose a voice that suits your character. There are tons to pick from. You've got male, female, and child voices, with accents ranging from American to British, African, Australian, and more. Listen to a few samples.
Excellence is not a skill, it is an attitude. The less effort, the faster and more powerful you will be.
Don't smother each other. No one can grow in the shade.
Adjust the settings if you want, and then click Generate. In seconds, you'll have a professional-sounding voiceover. Let's give it a listen.
We've planned for this. Tonight we take what's ours. No mistakes. In and out like ghosts. We hit hard. We don't stop until every bar of gold is ours. This is our moment. Let's finish this.
Sounds perfect, doesn't it? Go ahead and download it if you're happy with the result. Repeat this process for every line in your script. Remember, use a consistent voice for each character throughout the video so it all feels natural. And just like that, all our voiceovers are complete, and our video is truly coming to life. Step 5. Syncing character, lips with voiceovers. In this step, we would normally focus on matching our characters' lip movements with the voiceovers. However, since all our characters have their faces covered, we can skip this process. But if your project involves characters where the mouth needs to move in sync with the audio, there's an easy way to do it. You can use Runway ML for this. Simply go to the dashboard, scroll down, and click on Lip Sync Video. From there, upload the video or image you want to sync. Followed by your voiceover. Hit Generate, and the tool will automatically match the character's lips with the voice. Another free option is Pika Labs. Sign up and log in, then upload your video. Choose the lip sync option. Upload your voiceover and click Generate. In seconds, your character's lips will be perfectly synced with the audio. It's quick, easy, and doesn't cost a thing. Final step, edit your video. Now let's use CapCut, a super easy online video editor that's perfect for beginners. To finish up our video, just click the link in the description to sign up and get started. After logging in, click Create Project and upload all your video and audio clips. Drag them to the timeline and arrange them to tell your story. CapCut has cool transitions you can use to make your video flow smoothly between scenes. Play around with them until you find one that looks just right. Want to make your video more exciting? Click on Audio to add sound effects. You can upload your own sounds or search CapCut's library for sounds. Listen to them and pick the ones that fit best. Then drag them onto the timeline where they belong. You can also add captions or subtitles to make your video more engaging and accessible. Go to the text menu, choose Auto Captions, and pick a style. You can even add animations to the text by clicking Animation and choosing the one you like. If your video has a watermark, no worries. To hide it, you can zoom in on the video to remove the watermark. Another trick is to copy the video, layer the copy under the main one, blur it, and mask the area to cover the watermark. Adjust the mask's edge to make it look smooth. Once you're happy with everything, click Save and let CapCut process your video. After that, you can export the final version. And that's it. By following these easy steps, you'll have an awesome blockbuster movie ready to share. Keep making videos and uploading regularly to grow your YouTube channel. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips. See you in the next one.